Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi S5 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell, often marked with a car hood symbol. This lever might be red or yellow. Give it a firm pull to release the initial latch. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the car, indicating the hood has partially opened. This step is crucial for accessing the secondary release. Once the primary lever is pulled, the hood will pop up slightly, but it won't be fully open. Now, you need to engage the secondary safety latch. Gently lift the hood a few inches and look into the gap at the front, directly above the grille. You'll find a small lever or tab, often made of plastic or metal, positioned near the center. This is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. Locate it carefully. With the secondary latch located, either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific Audi S5 model. As you manipulate this latch, the hood will fully release. Now, you can lift the hood all the way open. Many Audi S5 models have a hydraulic strut that will automatically hold the hood up. If not, locate the prop rod and secure the hood firmly in the open position before you begin any work. Safety is key here. Always double-check that your Audi S5 hood is securely latched before you drive. A loose hood can be extremely dangerous at speed. Also, it's a good practice to periodically inspect the hood latch mechanism for any signs of corrosion, wear, or damage to ensure it functions correctly. Keeping it clean and lubricated can prevent issues. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space spotless. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.